Ayo, what's up YouTube? It's ringing bells again. I haven't made a video for a very, very long time. Oops, excuse me, that was my door. It's opening again, okay. Okay, it's closed, okay. I haven't made a video in a very, very, very long time. So it's actually going to be cool. So, yeah, I have this new app. It's called Sound Effects, as you can see up there. Type left corner. Alright. Sound effects. So yeah, it's basically it. Let's do this. Randomize, okay? Disgusting woman. Ew. That was disgusting woman. Let's hear it again. I mean, it's not really disgusting, but okay. Listen to it. Like, it's not disgusting. I wouldn't say that, but it's, you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, let's try next one. Random. That's the whip. Oh fuck! I would not like that to happen to me. If my parents beat me like that, hell no, it's not happening. Listen, like, ow, that hurts. Like, but I don't get beatings, but. I just, okay, let's take a brief moment. I feel sorry for you kids that get beatings. Like, listen to this. Like, you could hear it from a mile away, like the wind. It's like, let's try slap. Oh my God. My mom ain't slapping me like that. I'll say no right into it. Let's hear the car horn. Too loud. Let's hear the dog. Goblin. What the hell was that? Didn't you guys just hear that? Listen. I'm not playing that again. Let's hear the horse. Supporters. I guess it's basically it. So let's go here. Oh, sounds, which is animals, right? So there's the donkey. Let's hear the donkey. Okay, please select a button that will play the selected sound. Okay, that button. Horse galloping. Hey. Okay, see, that was beautiful music. That was a beautiful beat. Listen. Except for when the horse just came out of nowhere and just okay, we heard the horse, so we're gonna skip that. Let's go to sheep. Yeah, we all know the sheep sound like this. Pig, oink. Yeah. Cow, moo. Cat. Dog. Angry dog. It sounds like my dog when I went. It sounds like my dog when you take her toy shoe away from her. She sounds like this. I'm done. Okay, this frog. Dolphin. Camel. Elephant. That sounds so fake. Listen. That sounds so fake, guys. It's like the fakest thing I've ever seen. Shout out to fake gorillas. I'm done. Wolf. That was dope. It sounded like I was crying, but that's how I cry. Like, listen. Okay, you heard that, right? And now listen again. And now listen to me, okay? comments down below whose sounds worse. I'm gonna give you the choices again. This. Which was the wolf, and now me. Leave a comment down below who sounds the worst. Now the bear. Hell no. This is exactly why I'm scared of bears. Like, you put a bear in the woods, right? Because that's where it belongs. But you put a bear in the woods with me? I'm done. Is here seal? Oh, this is okay. Chicken. Oh, those are my brothers. You heard it? Listen. Rooster. I had that as my alarm so I could get up to go to school, but never again. Like no. It's not happening. Like, no. You do that to me, I'll kill you. No, not again. You remember the fake gorillas? Listen to this. Wait, no, not the fake turkey. Listen. It's the fakest turkey ever, but okay. Shout out to fake turkeys and fake gorillas. Okay, so that's the true duck. Cougar. Okay, see guys, I do not know what a cougar is. So, that's what I want you to do. Leave a comment down below. Where does a cougar live beside the wilderness? Where could you mainly find them? Bumblebee? Okay, true. Cricket? Oh, I love that sound when I go to sleep. Look. It's the best sound ever. Guys, you gotta hear it. Fly. Okay, tell me this does not sound similar. The fly, listen to the fly. And I listen to the bumblebee. I don't know. It sounds, I'm probably chirping, but it sounds similar to me. Now, the last one, sorry guys, but after this, the video's gonna end. So, let's just listen to this. Chimpanzee. Okay. It had that little thing at the end. I'm done. I'm sorry. I can't. It had that little thing at the end. Tell me that did not sound like that game Temple Run when the monkeys are chasing you and like, yeah, it's like chasing you and then it makes that sound. It says the. Except, you heard it, right? Except for the baby parts. But it always says that. So, now guys, if you want this app, go to your Play Store, your App Store, anything. Download it. It's called Sound Effects. You're going to see that little speaker. You see that little speaker on the top left corner? And that's what you're going to see. That speaker, guys. I will. Well, and I will. Yes, guys. Download it. And next video, I promise I will, a super duper promise that I will bring out a Sim series, guys. Cause, if you guys don't know my own channel, I deleted it, but, like, it's not there anymore. But I'll tell you it still, because I'm that type of person. It was called #Simoleons. I used to do sim videos all the time. And no, I did not copy that other #Simoleon, but like I never knew them until somebody told me, "Hey, dude, did you like?" I'm a girl, BTW, but they were like, "Hey, dude, did you copy it or anything?" I said, "No, I didn't copy it." So, anyways, guys, once again, this is Ringing Bells here, leaving you a video with sound effects. Download it. I am telling you, just download it. So guys, once again, Ringing Bells, and stay tuned for my next video. Sims Free Play. Peace.